we have to stop interfering with other people's karma. You know what I mean? Those in our lives that we love, who have pushed us to the side, and they are experiencing some things, and the first thing you want to do is jump in and try to help them. But every time they get up, or whatever the situation is, you standing by yourself, fam. So we have to take into consideration that it's self-preservation, fam. I can't help you unless I can help me. And once I learned that you are all about helping you, and when it's time to help me, the feeling isn't mutual, cut them off, fam. Allow them to experience their own karma, the things that they're doing. So, you know, just to be realistic, the way I look at it is, if I'm driving down the road and I see you on fire, and I know you done burnt me several times, I'm not finna stop and put you out, because I might be interfering with God. I don't know what he got going on with you. You might need to burn. You might need to go through exactly what you're going through right now. Because if I run and try to save you, you ain't gonna do it again. So I don't interfere. Whatever happened to you after you burn me, or after you go left field with me, whatever happened, it happens. I'm not wishing you no ill will, but I'm not going to interfere with God. I remember a preacher saying one day, before you be so quick to pray for someone, maybe you should pray for, should I pray for this person? Maybe what they're going through is a part of chastisement. Maybe what they're going through is part of their own sin. Maybe what they're going through is for glory of God. They got to suffer like that to give God the glory. You don't know, but you quick to interfere. Let people deal with their own karma. Hold on.